It's so much snow. I don't know where to start from, but we'll start from somewhere. Hey, let's start with cleaning off the snow. I'm bringing out my tools. This is what it looks like living in a house that has no garage during winter. During winter snow days, you have to clean your car before driving out. You can't drive out with a car filled with snow. This is one of the reasons why I don't like driving in snow, because the thought of cleaning the car is so stressful. If you are planning to come to Canada soon, or you are new to Canada, don't be intimidated by this at all. You would scale through it like it's just the first 2 seasons and you're okay. So it's part of winter living in Canada, so don't feel intimidated. And if you don't have to go out, I've been working from home for the past 2 years. If it's not necessary, I don't do this. So don't feel intimidated. Don't say because the winter, the snow, I'm not coming. No, whatever works for you. We are all here, we are still fine. No wala. And as a matter of fact, I don't do this. I can't even remember if I've cleaned the snow ever since I got to Canada like this. So you'll be fine. Not so much, but it's still good to drive like this. Father Lord. Welcome back to another video. Yes, I'm going to Dollarama, but I had to clear the snow first on the car before driving, because it's not safe to drive with your car filled with snow. You can be penalized for that. So now let's go to Dollarama. Just a quick dash in and out, and I need to get some baking wares, and the best place I can get that is Dollarama. So let's go. Come along with me, enjoy this video, subscribe if you've not subscribed.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you something from the chimney. I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Thank you for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I find it more affordable to buy things like this at Dollarama, and can you believe that I spent $46? Yes, $46.50. The first time I bought this parchment paper, I bought them on Amazon and it was so expensive. It's more affordable to buy them at Dollarama. For me, if you're in Canada, where do you buy your foil papers? Let me know in the comment section. I think it's more reasonable for me to just go into Dollarama and buy disposables. I don't want to spend so much on them. Yeah, so that's it.